What's up guys? Welcome to Gadgets Times. So, the OnePlus has finally launched its latest flagship device, the OnePlus 7, alongside the OnePlus 7 Pro. The phone is the successor of the OnePlus 60 and looks very much similar to the OnePlus 60. At the front, the OnePlus 7 features a 6.41-inch optic AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution. The AMOLED panel has good viewing angles and has multiple display modes to choose from. In this new OnePlus 7, the OnePlus has also opted for a dewdrop notch, which is also known as the U-display, which houses a 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection at the front and the back, which should help it resist scratches. The new 7 device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC, which is capable of running every game out there. The company has launched 2 variants of the OnePlus 7, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage, the other one with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, same as they launched in the previous model, the OnePlus 60. Moving to its battery. The OnePlus 7 packs in a 3700 mAh battery, which is enough to deliver all-day battery life. And the company also supplies a 20-watt charger with the phone, which is capable of topping the battery up completely in almost an hour. At the back, OnePlus has opted for a dual camera setup on the phone consisting of a 48-megapixel primary sensor with f1.7 aperture and a 5-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, which is actually a good news for a camera lover. On the software front, the phone runs on Oxygen OS 9.5 on top of Android 9.0 Pie, which is the latest Android system. So this was all about the latest flagship device by OnePlus, the OnePlus 7. But what is next? According to rumors, the company has already started working on its next flagship device, the OnePlus 7T, which is going to be completely different from the current OnePlus 7. The OnePlus 7T is expected to have 6.4-inch QHD+ Super AMOLED display, which will give you a fantastic experience for sure. If we talk about its processor, the OnePlus 7T is expected to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC chipset with massive RAM options of 8GB and 10GB, the same we are getting in the OnePlus 7 Pro. That means this one is going to be a beast for sure. Moving on to the camera, the OnePlus 7T is rumored to get a dual front-facing camera of 16 megapixels and 5 megapixels with an LED flash that promises better selfies and video calling. At the back, the OnePlus 7T is expected to get 4 camera setup, which can also be used for low-light photography and to shoot videos with a dual LED flash system. That's again a good news for camera lovers. I know maximum of you must be wondering to know about its release date and price. Here I am going to answer this million-dollar question. Are you guys ready? So let me tell you that in China, UK, India, US, Germany and other countries, it is going to release in November 2019. It may extend due to different reasons, but for now this date is strongly expected. Currently, there have been no announcements regarding the price by the company. However, OnePlus 60 was launched at 34,999 Indian rupees and the OnePlus 7 started at rupees 32,999. Factoring in these prices, industry experts believe that OnePlus 7T could be priced at 34,999 or 36,999 Indian rupees. So this was our detailed talk on the upcoming the OnePlus 7T. I am sure you guys have got everything you were looking for. If yes, then smash the like button, and if you have any question in your mind, then you can comment it down below. And to get updated with such videos, subscribe to our gadgets friendly channel, Gadgets Times.